folks. Welcome back to another edition of Getting to Know Glenholme. Hope everybody had a wonderful Labor Day weekend. We are just thrilled around here because it's the first day of school. Summer program was excellent. It's come to a close, and we're back in full academic session starting today. And so we had a wonderful kickoff assembly this morning to start the 2019-2020 academic year here at Glenholme. And I'm going to take you right over to the school building. You can check out the first day of school for the Grizzlies here at Glenholme. Let's go check it out, folks. Come on. Folks, thank you so much for stopping in. We'll talk to you soon. It's another great first day of school here at Glenholme. Take care. Talk soon.